Miss Jennifer Aquino from Mark de la Cruz. When she opened Mark's gift, out fell an ugly rhinestone bracelet with half stones missing and a bottle of cheap perfume. The other boys and girls began to giggle and smirk over Mark's gifts. But Miss Aquino, at least, had enough sense to silence them by immediately putting on the bracelet and dotting some of the perfume on her wrist. Holding her wrist up for the other children to smell, she said, "Doesn't it smell lovely?" The other children, taking her cue from the teacher, readily agreed with oh and ahs. When school was over and the other children had left, Mark lingered behind. He slowly came over to her desk and said softly, "Miss Aquino, Miss Aquino, you smell just like my mother, and her bracelet looks real pretty on you. I'm glad you like my gifts." When Mark left, Miss Aquino got down to her knees and asked God to forgive her. When the children came to school the next day, they were welcomed by a new teacher. Miss Aquino had become a different person. She was no longer just a teacher. She had become an instrument of God, committed to loving her children and doing things for them that would live one after her. She helped all the children, but especially the slow ones, and especially Mark de la Cruz. But at the end of that school year, Mark showed dramatic improvement. He caught up with most of the students and was even ahead of some. After the year ended, Miss Aquino did not hear from Mark for a long time. But one day, she received a letter that says, "Dear Miss Aquino, I wanted you to be the first to know